Welcome to Grimcast. Well, the earthquake in Turkey is a humanitarian disaster beyond understanding. Well, Grimcast has waited to speak on this until I could make the enormity of the disaster understandable. There are currently 24,000 dead. Now, the estimation is that the death toll from the earthquake will double. So somewhere around 48,000 people. So we can safely say that in the earthquake in Turkey, there was around 50,000 human casualties. This will be one of the worst disasters in this region for centuries. Now, this has been Grimcast, and whatever your religious belief or denomination, please give prayers for the dead.